Okay, what is that?
Mm-hmm.
It's just a big dice. It shows
more different.
numbers all the way up to 30. Instead of, how many numbers is on a regular dice? 6. So that just has a whole lot of extra numbers on it. Cool, huh? Okay, put that down. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to review.
Student too?
Huh?
Is this a student?
Yeah, that's Yertle. You know who Yertle is. Okay, so this is what we're going to do.
With the Mario.
Everybody listen. We talked about these words before, remember? Okay, next to, below, and under, same thing. Above, on top, behind, and in front. So we are going to review those first, and then we're going to talk about left and right. And we're going to practice left and right. Okay, and then we'll put it all together and we're going to do object trains. Okay, and practice saying where things are correctly. Okay? Questions? All right. What?
So after we finish doing next to, below, under, above, on top, behind, in front of, and then we do left and right. So you're saying we're gonna play that little game where we hide the little blocks around?
We're going to do some of that, yes. Okay?
That's
All right.
like a game.
I'm going to close this door real quick because it's open. Okay, guys. Leave Yertle alone. Pay attention. It's fine. He's taking a nap. Let him take a nap. Take a nap. Okay. I want you to look around the room. And I want someone to tell me, using one of our words, where is my Santa hat? Ariel.
Your Santa hat is on top of the boxes of the bookshelf.
On top of the box on the bookshelf. Perfect. Very good. Now, I'm glad you used the words on top. Who knows what the difference is between on top and above? Are they the same or are they different?
Same.
Urban, what do you think? How are they different?
Because the shelf is on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
The shelf is sitting down.
Mm-hmm.
And then the shelf, how the head is on the top.
Okay, so the hat is on top.
On the bottom.
But what's the difference between above and on top? Do you know? What do you think, Max?
It's not different. It's
Boys,
the
leave it alone.
same. Because above and on top, above is, I think they are different because above is something, no, they're not
Sure?
different.
Okay, let's talk about this. Look at my hands. Here's the shelf. If this is above, right? Is this on top?
Yes. Oh,
No. What about this? Is this on top?
Yes.
Okay, if it's sitting or touching, it's on top. Okay? If it's higher but not touching, it's above. Okay, leave the stuff alone. Are you listening? So this is on top, and this is above. Okay, so on top and above. Okay? What about down here? What's this? Under or below, same thing. Okay, we say under a lot more than we say below, but it means the same thing. Okay, what do you think? Question?
So you're saying above, that means nothing is touching nothing.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Ariel?
Why does
Yertle. That's Yertle. We're going to use him. And I want you to be able to spell him in case you need to spell him later. So that's why he's up there. Yeah, he would be scared up there for sure. Okay, let's focus. So we did below, under, above, on top, behind. What's the difference? Where? Let me think. Let's look at this. Do you see this stack of papers?
Yes, ma'am.
What is behind the stack of papers, Max?
I think this is shown to see for important papers, showing important papers.
Yeah, exactly. The projector, right? Good. Perfect. What about in front of? So what's in front of Miss Tucker? Urban?
A table.
The table is in front of me, correct? What's behind me, Ariel?
It's my board.
The smart board. Okay. So that's where we're gonna.
I thought it was that.
This is also behind me. You can have more than one thing back there. What is this? Do you know what these are? The Chromebooks. Okay, we're gonna use those next week. Okay. So let's talk about left and right. Who knows which one is left and which one is right? What do you think, Max?
Because which one makes a better L? This one. So this is left and this side is right.
Okay, so look this way. Max says that if you look at your thumbs and you see an L, that's the left side, and if it doesn't make an L, that's the right side. Okay, that's a good question, Ariel. That's a great question. So left and right depends on where you're standing. Okay? So my left is this way, but your left is going to be that way. Okay? So left is what we call it's relative. So the left moves depending on where you're standing. Okay? Yes.
But where is south?
Now, that's a good question. South doesn't change. Okay? I don't know which direction south is because I can't see the sun. Okay, if I had a compass, I could tell you which direction south is, but I don't have one of those right now. South, north, south, east, and west don't change. Left and right changes. Okay? Yes.
Well, I see a south on. I see one of those, but it's over here down. It's down there.
Yes. It's a compass.
Is it behind?
Okay. No. South is a direction. So. But we're not going to get into that today. Okay? So left and right. So we're going to practice. Okay? We're going to use your left and your right, not mine. Okay? So I want you to look at my penny. See my penny?
Yes.
I need you to make me a sentence. The penny is. Where is the penny? Ariel.
The penny is on the left hand with the pink and black.
Oh, don't worry about that. Just tell me where the penny is.
The penny is on your left hand.
Okay, so the penny is on your left. Okay, so the penny is on my left is what you would say. Okay, because this is my right hand. Okay,
Yeah,
remember?
I should say that you're.
It's confusing. That's why left and right can be real confusing.
I
Yes.
get confused because a teacher is teaching left and right, but you're not deciding the same.
Yeah, because we're not facing the same direction, so it's different. Yes.
And sometimes when there's a video and there's a raise your left hand and goes like this, and goes like this, so I just turn around and put my hand up. They want to say,
Yeah.
when you go for a loop, then it's confused.
There you go. So it makes it easier to tell if you're facing the same direction as the person, right? Okay. So I'm going to move it. Now where is the penny? Urban.
Is on your left.
Okay. You use the whole sentence.
The penny is on your left.
What's this? What is this?
Oh, on your pinky
This is my...
hand.
Okay, so the penny is on my left.
The pen is on your hand. The pen.
The penny is on my hand. Which one? Remember I said I was going to make you say it all over again until we got it right. Say it again.
Right. Left.
You had it right. I just want you to say the whole sentence. The penny is on your left hand. Okay? Because that's what we're working on. Ariel, I need you to leave Yertle alone and pay attention. Okay? All right. Put the penny in one of your hands. Ariel, where is it?
The penny is on Max. Left. My left.
Okay, so the penny's on your left, correct? Max, where's the penny?
Penny is on Ario's.
No, on yours. Where is it to you?
Penny is on my right hand.
There you go. Very good. Now switch it. Say it again. Now where is it?
The penny is on my left hand.
Okay, give it to Ariel. Your turn, Ariel. Okay, say it. Where is it, Ariel?
My penny is on my right hand.
The penny is on your right hand. Very good. Switch.
The penny is on my left hand.
There you go. You got it. Now give it to Urban, please.
I can do that picture with these.
Mm-hmm.
The penny is on my right hand.
Very good, Urban. Good. Boy, you better leave that alone.
Come on my hand.
Uh-oh. Get it.
The penny is on my left hand.
Perfect. All right. About to test you. You ready? Simon Says. Do you know how to play Simon Says?
Yeah. You get to do the same thing they say.
Okay. So you're going to do what I tell you to do, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Are we gonna have them to with the themselves?
You're going to do what I say. Simon Says, put your right hand on your head. Don't change it unless you think about it.
This is my right hand.
You're correct. Okay, now you got it. Very good. You may put your hands down. Listen. Yes, sir.
Are we gonna have turns with this thing?
Are we gonna have what?
Turns. Are we gonna have turns?
What Simon Says, I want all of you to do it at the same time.
Yeah, but are we gonna have turns with this?
Later. Yes. Okay. Simon Says, put your left hand on your nose. Left hand, left hand. Oh, there we go. Which one, Urban? Which one's left? Are you sure? Yep. How can you remember? Which one's left? Let him do it. Which one's left? There you go. You got it. You don't have to do it fast. Ariel, turn around. Okay. Simon Says, put your right hand in your lap.
I was going to put right here.
Simon Says, put your left hand on your shoulder. Simon Says, put your right hand in your armpit. Oh, I was hoping I wanted to get it like this. I'm just messing with. Okay, you may put your hands down. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna use our objects, and we're gonna use all the words: left, right, in front, next to, behind. All the vocabulary words. Yes, sir.
But what is the next to left and right?
Oh, that's a good idea. That's a good question. Okay, so when would you say next to or left and right? That's the question, correct? Okay, let's line our things up. Hang on. I got some new things.
I know why.
Give me a second and we'll talk about it. I want you to help. Sometimes, Urban, you can use more than one word to describe where you're at. I'm going to let him lay down because he's not good at sitting up.
He's looking at
Okay. Okay, listen for a second. Use the word left of, to the left of. Someone make a sentence for me with our objects using the word to the left of. It's following me. Go ahead.
Okay, we see left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you want to move this way so you're looking at it from the same direction as the voice? Okay.
The timer is on the left of your little.
Okay. So the timer's to the
The right.
Okay, so the timer is to the right of Yertle the turtle, correct?
Yeah, but he just said the
Sit right there.
the timer is on my right here.
It's to the right on your side, yes. Okay. So Urban's question was when, look this way, when do we use left or right or next to? If you're not sure left or right, you can use next to, that's okay. But if you use left or right, it makes it easier to tell exactly what you're talking about. It makes it a little easier to find something. So if you're in the classroom and Miss Martin wants to know where something is, it would be a lot easier if you said, hey, it's to the left of the whatever, instead of saying next to, correct?
Left to the.
But
I know where he's getting confused.
both of those
by
will
saying
work.
next to because some will think they're asking something where are you using just like this one, this whiteboard,
Okay.
and you say next to it, the next is gonna be right here or right here.
Yeah.
You don't know what side is it.
You're exactly
And,
right.
and
Very good.
Right from right.
Very good.
That's the
Excellent.
best confusion next to.
Yeah. You're right. You are correct. Does that answer your question? Sort of. Okay. Max?
Now the dice is on top of Yertle.
Okay, so now the dice is on top of Yertle. All right, Urban, make a sentence about our train.
I did it.
All of our stuff.
The marker is front of Yodel.
Okay, the marker is in front of Yertle. Good. Ariel, your turn. Make a sentence for me.
The dice is on the right.
This is a dice.
Listen, Urban and Max, listen.
The pencil box is on top of the eraser.
The pencil box is on top of the eraser. Was, until you moved it. Good. Max, your turn. Let's hear it.
The dice is on the left of the marker.
Very good. Yes, it is. I had to think about it for a second because you're back from me. You're right. Very good. Urban, your turn.
The timer is on the right Yoda.
Of Yertle. Yes. To the right of Yertle. Okay, Ariel. Sure.
The dice to study is the tape is around the dice.
Okay, so the tape is around the blue dice. We haven't talked about. It's not on there right now. We have talked about around. What is around?
Around is like something that like if you have a ball and you put it around and you have a hoop, you throw the ball around and it starts circling around the basketball hoop.
Yeah.
Then you make the shot.
Okay. Okay. All right.
I don't get that what you said.
You don't understand what you said.
But it's just around.
Yes. Around means to go around.
No, you said the basketball went around the hoop.
Max, have a seat. I got it. If you throw a basketball into a hoop,
Yeah,
do you know what that is?
yeah.
Okay. Sometimes it'll go like this and it'll circle around the outside, around the inside before it falls in. And you shoot it and it kind of does this little thing right here and then it falls in the hole.
Yeah, never happened.
It never happens to me.
I miss short.
You what?
I miss short
Me too.
sometimes.
I'm missing all of the shots. I'm not very basketball. All of the shots. Okay. Urban, can you make a sentence for me?
The blue dice with the letters is top on the box.
Okay. You are correct. It is on top. of
Wait,
the box.
then all your pictures on top of you?
Okay, listen. Listen to me. The blue dice
The blue dice
is on top of
is on the top of
The box.
on the box.
Okay. Of the box. We're missing up on and of. Okay. Okay. That's why we're practicing. Okay. Ariel, one more.
The red dice with
I know what you mean.
The red dice is on top of the whiteboard.
Is on top of the
little
whiteboard. The little whiteboard. Okay. This time, instead of making a sentence, I'm going to ask you where something is, and I want you to tell me using one of our sentences. Okay? All right, Max. Where is the box?
The box is next to the eraser.
Very good. Ariel, where is the box? Use a different sentence than Max.
Box is under the blue dice.
The box is under the blue dice. Good job.
The box is under the
This one. The box is underneath this dice.
Actually, it looks like
It's
this.
okay.
Looks like this. The box will be below.
Yes. All right, Urban. Where is the yellow dice?
The yellow dice is on the top of Yodel.
Is on top of Yertle. Perfect. Max, where is the pink marker?
The pink marker is on the right of the green marker.
It is, from your perspective. You're correct. Very good. Urban, where is the eraser?
The eraser is on the eraser is on the bottom of the pencils.
Okay, instead of on the bottom, we're going to say under. Okay?
The eraser is on the
What are these?
pencils.
Okay, so the
The
eraser.
eraser is under the pencils.
Very good. You got it. Good job.
Because I didn't know I said on the what called under. I didn't know I said under.
It's okay. That's why we're practicing. Remember, I told you guys when you're in my class, we're practicing saying things correctly.
Same.
Okay? You what?
That's a sense of the pink marker.
Yes. Ariel, where's the pink marker?
The pink marker is between the green marker and doodle.
Very good. So the pink marker is between the green marker and Yertle. Very good. You remember from the last lesson we did. Okay.
I get a question.
We got to do... Okay, question.
How? I get confused about saying between in the middle.
Same thing. It doesn't matter.
So
It's the same thing.
Like you said, the pink marker is in between or in the middle.
Okay, so usually middle means there's the same amount of space on both sides. So let me show you this. Hang on.
I can't get it now.
Hang on.
I think
So,
middle means when a thing is far away, just like this. But if it's between, it's like this, close.
it can be. Okay, so look right here. This is the middle. Okay. If I move it over this way, it's still in between. It's just not in the middle anymore.
I don't get it between in the middle.
Okay, that's what I'm saying.
I
Okay.
get it now.
I'm glad, Ariel, but I want Urban to get it too, okay? Let me explain it to
You
him.
just
Look
like
how
Let me
I
explain.
put the dice over here. Now it's in the middle. Now I put the dice right here. Is in between.
Okay, it's between now. Look, because it's still between these two things, correct?
I'll get it now.
But the middle means there's the same amount of space on both sides.
You know how much we want to put right
Okay?
here? Is in the middle.
It's still in between, okay?
And you
In
put
between.
the dice over here. Now it's in between.
Yes.
Now you put it over there. Now you put it between.
Yes. You are in between Max and Ariel, but you're not in the middle.
But Max is right there. And
Right.
Yes, look.
Oh, I think you said in the middle.
No, I said between.
Look.
Honey, I see. I need you to listen. Okay, Ariel.
How many is
That is around.
Mm-hmm.
You take or and next one is around and inside.
Same thing.
Yep, same thing.
Oh, no, it can be. So the markers are inside the box.
Look, I don't get this. Look.
Okay,
Now,
Urban,
empty.
listen. I want you to ask questions, okay? But I want you to wait your turn, okay? Listen, just a minute. Ariel wants to know the difference between inside,
And outside.
inside and what you said, around.
I think.
Okay, hang on. You got to give me a chance to answer your question, okay? This is around.
That's the one.
Inside means you can close it up, okay? And it's in there.
Oh, in the
we put
inside
we put
the.
like this inside?
No, it's under.
No, it's like because it's like
Oh, the dice is inside, yes. Okay.
it's like if something is on something, but something we cannot escape.
That's right, where it cannot escape. Very good. I like that word escape you used. Okay, Urban, what's your question?
I don't get this one cut out. Oh, that was the one we just practiced. That's the one we just practiced on.
I gotcha. Okay, we're gonna make trains. And what I want you to do, listen, I'm gonna give you 4 things. I want you to have these 4 things. And I want you two to have these 4 things. Now, I'm gonna be Max's partner, and you two are gonna be partners. Okay? Ariel, you hold the things. Urban's gonna tell you where to put them. He's gonna use our directions that we've talked. Listen. Urban, you're gonna tell him where to put the stuff so that it's in the order you want it to be in. Watch. 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 Okay. Max. Put the timer to the left of the dice. Very good. Put this dice behind the timer. Very good. Put the tape to the right of the red dice. Done.
Oh, it's just
Okay.
How does it train?
look, it can cross it.
Oh.
It can find you.
It can't find me, you're right. Okay. Hang on, Ariel. Let me finish giving directions, okay? So now we're going to switch, and Max is going to tell me where to put the things, okay? So you two are going to take turns.
Why did he don't tell me to what you put it?
You're going to tell him first, and then he's going to tell you, okay? Okay. You tell him where to put it, and then Max and I are going to work. Okay, Max, tell me where to put things.
Okay.
Put the marker on the right and the left. The two markers.
Put the timer around the tape.
Around the tape?
Put the dice on
In
inside
between the red block
inside the
and the
block.
tape.
Okay.
And then put the
dice.
put the red dice
middle.
on top of
The two
the
dice.
timer. Okay. Put the dice
Put the
next
dice
on the right
next
of the tape.
to the dice.
Now put the tape in front of put the tape in front of the timer. And put the dice behind the timer. Okay, I'm done.
Did you two switch turns? Did you switch? Okay, now switch. Ariel, give him directions.
Put the marker.
I think it's a marker.
Put the marker.
Tell him which one. Which marker?
Together. like that. Just like
Oh,
You got to give him better direction so he can understand. Okay, there you go.
now put the dice between on the right of the markers, on the middle of the markers.
in the middle? Oh,
No, that is.
I think you said.
Now put the other.
Wait, stop. Where'd you tell him to put the dice?
You said, I know you said in the middle.
You can't put the dice in the middle of the markers when they're
But I
stuck
mean-
together.
But I mean when the markers to be on the middle, so to put the dice like that. For the,
So which side of the markers does the big dice need to go?
put the big dice on the left of the markers.
Okay, there you go. And where's the?
Done.
Wait a minute, but the big dice is
Right.
not to the left.
But
They're
this
backwards.
is the dice.
This is big dice.
Yes.
This is this dice.
Yeah, that's the
Yes,
big
ma'am.
number.
Okay, go ahead and you can turn it off. It's fine. Thank you.